Are you wondering how to spread your money the smart way? This video is not for financial advice, it's for educational purposes only, so I'm going to tell you something. When it comes to investing, one big question pops up. Where should you put your money? Now, maybe you've heard that, spreading your money around can help protect it, but you're not sure how to do it. Listen, don't worry. You're not the only one feeling a little bit lost about that. But in this video, we're going to talk about the best investment distribution strategies to basically help you make the best decisions of your future. Now, by spreading your money into different places, you can reduce the risk and increase your chances of growing over time. So here are 5 ways. I'm going to give you 5 ways to think about your money. So first of all, put your money in the stock market with companies like Apple or Tesla for growth. Second thing is you got to think about investing in bonds with companies like, Vanguard or iShares for safety. Third thing, consider real estate with Fundrise or Rockets with Roofstock, where you can build wealth and have a home. And I'll put this all in the description. The fourth thing is you got to save for your future in retirement accounts with for example, Fidelity or Charles Schwab. And also, fifth thing, keep some cash in a savings account with Ali Bank or Chase to stay safe and secure. Now, if you can feel comfortable, you can feel confident about where your money is going if you do this. So you got to start today to make smart investment decisions for your future. And if you like these recommendations, leave me a like. I love you.